My topic is why should students join politics? When we hear the word politics nowadays, we think about there is something nasty like politics, office politics, this politics, that politics. We understand something that is not good and we should stay away from that. But the politics does not mean this. We make this term our own on. Politics means making policies, making rules that is good for our people and our country. This is politics, and everyone should know politics about and how our country works. This is politics. But when we and when we think about politics means that is not good nowadays. And students should away from this, and our parents also don't want us to think about politics. But just like we think about being a doctor, engineer, teacher, we should also think about politics. Politics is a very important part of our life in our life. And when a student decides to join politics, it means he is literate enough to understand fundamental rights, our basic human rights, and everything that is good for our country. Decision making, critical thinking, and that is for our country. Everything will be better. But to people who work for our country right now, we are not literate enough. They don't know how to our country work. When we work for them, they want some plans. They are very corrupt. They misuse government, and that is not done in our favor. If we want our country to go and do better in a global level, we want a literate pupil in our government. And when a student decide to be a politician, they in the school and the college, they will understand how this works. Like how to choose a politician, how who to vote, and understand the conflicts, understand the policy making, understand decision making, and they will understand how to lead a country from the start. When they will understand this,